Welcome back. This is a series on Postgres for MySQL DBAs. My name is Dave Stokes. I'm a technology evangelist for Percona. And episode 10, we're going to be looking at how to watch things on your server. Now, this is a handy little trick that you'll find very useful. Why this series? Well, if you're a MySQL DBA and you're curious about Postgres, this series is to help you explore how to get started with Postgres, how to set it up, set up passwords, do backups, load data, and some of the general neat things that are out there in Postgres. Now, watch is something that is similar to doing a -f on a file on a Linux machine. And it's a very handy command, and you'll find this very useful. What we're going to do is we're going to use watch and watch something with it. And then we have an interesting little hack to let you watch queries as they run. So pretend we have two terminals. On the left terminal, we're creating a table called x1 with an integer column called ID. And if we run select max ID from x1, we get nothing because there's nothing in there. Well, if we run another query on the first terminal, and we insert 1,000 records, and then come back, do another select max ID from there, come back and tell us 1,000. Now, rather than typing this again and again, or up arrowing again and again, we can just type \watch20. And every 20 seconds, it will go out there and rerun the last query. Now, let's say like we're doing some more work and we're back on our same two terminals. This time, we're going to insert one record into x1. Now we have our watch going over here. And suddenly, you'll notice that the value goes from 1,000 to 2,000. The 2,000 we just put in there. Very handy way to watch progress of your data. And also there's something that's kind of neat. It's if you're used to MySQL to running show process list to watch what's going on with your server, this is something similar. And I think you're going to find this kind of handy. Here's a query to get the latest running queries. I select dat name query use name from PG stat activity, ordered by the query start time. And here we have two queries running. One, of course, is the one we have up above where we're doing the query to go out there and look at the queries. And this is the latest query we have there where we're inserting some values into x1. Now, we come back a little bit later and hit up arrow or \G, and we get this information. Well, that's interesting, but what if something you want to just leave it in a screen? It's like your mobile screen's running. You just want to watch something out of the corner of your eyes as things progress. Well, what can you do? In this case, we're doing a watch 15, which means we start at 11:39 and runs the next time at 11:39:15. And we can actually watch the progress of these statements going through. Nice little way to monitor your system. Got any questions, comments, subjects you want covered? Please let me know. I'm at Stoker at Twitter. I will read the comments on YouTube. Hopefully you've enjoyed this and come back and watch again. Thank you.